Hi, welcome to the second video of TeleTutor. I hope you've seen our first video where we give you the introduction of what TeleTutor is and how it assists in classes. In this video, we are going to show you a couple of applications for TeleTutor. Even though TeleTutor has more than 100 use cases and it's definitely not possible to cover all of them, we've tried our best to show you some of the applications of this screen. As already shown to you in the previous video, TeleTutor is a 10-point touch technology. That means it can recognize 10 finger touches in one go. This way, students can participate in an activity together and make sure that everyone interacts completely and makes a session or one period as fruitful as possible. Other than that, the teachers can start with something as simple as a YouTube video. They can choose to teach using the content available on YouTube.
In this module, you will learn about the structure of...
You don't have to necessarily rely on the voice or anything that's there in the video. As shown in our previous video as well, teachers can choose to mark themselves on a live video.
In between the two lines. 2/3 of the heart is located to the left.
This way, they can mark it on the board. Students can listen to what's being taught in the classroom rather than just blindly scribbling their notebook and study from the notes that have been shared with them. Other than that, because TeleTutor has a dual operating system, it opens up both the Windows and the Android platforms to choose an apps or any content providers that the teacher or the students feel comfortable with. Just for this demo, we've installed a couple of apps which will walk you through and show you how TeleTutor can be used. Using something as simple as a Khan Academy app, you just have to choose what subject and what lecture you wish to teach today, and you're good to go. You can simply start using that, you can start teaching with that, and you can use those videos. Again, as the YouTube video, you don't have to rely on their videos to teach. You can either rely on their video or simply just speak out yourself and make notes and mark it up whatever you wish to do. In case after some time you feel that you're not as comfortable with the Khan Academy app and you wish to install something else, it is as simple as opening the Windows Store, searching for an app that you feel like, for example, just Wikipedia, as simple as that. Just click on it, install the app, and you're good to go. Right there. You now have Wikipedia into your system and you can use that to teach out to students. This way, TeleTutor gives you the complete freedom and flexibility to use the app, the software, and the content provider of your choice to teach in classrooms. Coming to subject-wise application, a tool as simple as teaching mathematics. Right there. This is the GeoGebra app that you can use in your classrooms along with TeleTutor. Marking up a triangle, the internal angles is as easy as click of the buttons now. Teachers don't necessarily have to spend their time in the classrooms drawing stuff, and rather they can spend more time teaching on the concepts and everything. Marking up areas is as simple. You can pick up any of the coordinates, change the vertices, and still show the students that the sum of all the angles of a triangle remains 180 degrees. Chemistry, a simple periodic table. This is an app called Asperion Periodic Table which gives you information about all the elements. Simply cobalt. You can click on here and you can find out what different features cobalt has or what are its chemical properties. Again, don't simply rely on the app. Pick up the editing tool, marking tool, start marking, make your notes, share it with the students, and let them listen to you rather than noting it down in the notebook. Biology. Rather than drawing some diagrams on the blackboard in two-dimensional or coming into classroom and a teacher spending 10 minutes just to draw something, why not use a simple app? Why not teach students how it actually should be taught? using a 3D model. This gives the students a better understanding of how the heart works or how it's actually placed in the human body. Once again, make your own notes, scribble down on TeleTutor and not in your notebook, and study from the notes what the teacher has to share with you. Another application in the field of biology, simple animal and plant cell. Show the students what an animal cell actually looks like in 3 dimensions. Mark your own notes once again. I wish my teachers taught me like that. TeleTutor is not only restricted to science and mathematics. We've even figured out tools on how we can assist teachers in subjects like history and geography. This is World Geo app. It is a very interactive app where students have to come down on the screen and select where Myanmar is. I'm guessing it's somewhere like this. No, it's wrong. I know my geography is bad. That's Myanmar. In this way, the students can actually learn, come and participate on the board and see what the TeleTutor can do for them. Talking about smaller classrooms, like kids. We figured out some apps where we can actually read out stories to the student using TeleTutor. This is one of the apps where we can do that. So open up any of the PDF books that you wish to. Scroll down to any story that you wish to teach today. Just click on play.
The wind and the sun. Once the wind and the sun had an argument. I am stronger than you, said the wind. No. You are not, said the sun. Just at that moment they saw a traveler walking across the road. He was wrapped in a shawl. The sun and the wind agreed that whoever could separate.
This way TeleTutor has so many various applications that it's definitely not possible to cover everything in this video. But I hope this video has given you some idea about what TeleTutor is and how it can assist the teachers and the students together in making the classroom and the environment a better learning space. In the description of this video below, you'll find link to our very first video where we have given introduction to TeleTutor. In case you haven't gone through that, please make sure you do. In the description, you'll also find the information of the TeleTutor website where you'll have more detailed description and information about TeleTutor, and you'll also find out the information on how you can reach out to us in case you have any questions or queries. I hope this video has helped you understand some applications of TeleTutor. Thank you so much.